Airbnb, Jimmy, looks good if you want to dabble in an option, okay? Just do one. See how you like it. One contract, Jimmy, not 100,000. Airbnb, Airbnb.
Despite taking off again.
Oh,
It's
thank you.
expensive. It's $100. It's expensive.
Is it? I don't know. Let me look. It's 200, Jimmy. 200 bucks. You can get one. Buy one. One contract. Just one, Jimmy.
Add options.
Yep.
It says it's $10,000.
No. Make sure your quantity is right. It should say
That's
one.
100.
Your
That's
quantity
100,
should be one. Yep.
I thought you have to have 100 shares.
No. A contract just equates to 100 shares. That's all it means.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay, so November 11th.
Yep.
November 11th. Sorry if this is helping or not.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
Is anybody else helping? This helping?
Yep.
So November 11th.
Uh-huh.
Expiration date.
Yep, that's the expiration date.
And then strike
Strike's
price.
going to be 101.
What did you say? 101.
101 will be your strike price.
Oh, 101. Mine says 100.
Well, you can change that. There's a bracket there to change it.
Okay, 101. Okay.
Yep.
And then it says limit price at 3. What's that?
The
311.
limit price should be around 212.
Is he doing a call or put?
He's doing a call. You're doing a call, right, Jimmy?
Yes.
Okay. So your strike price will be around, or your price to pay for it's around $2.12. Now it's $2.14. Now it's $2.18.
I just made 8% on.
Yeah, I know it's flying up. I just made $225 while talking to Jimmy about
send,
it.
Right.
Yep.
Oh, automation. No.
Now it's 223.
Gotta be quick.
Now it's 225. Now it's 230. Yeah, Jimmy's starting to realize how fast options move.
Wow.
It moves super fast.
Airbnb, new.
Which one you want so I can watch?
A, B, N, B.
Airbnb.
A, B, N, B. There it goes. Now, Jimmy, it's
Holy
up to
beavers.
230, 232.
Nice work.
High a day. Now it's up 236. Now it's 239.
Yeah, I just got in.
Nice.
It took me 5 minutes to do my order. It took Brady 1 second.
246. Now I'm up over 1,000 on it since showing Jimmy how to do it.
Yes.
252. Now it's up $1,200.
You guys are just the best. This is so awesome.
How many shares did you buy, Coach?
I bought 30 contracts, which was only $7,500, by the way. So I'm up 20% since calling that out to everybody. Now it's up, 1,500.
Should I get out?
No,
Roku's
Jimmy,
looking
Jimmy, you
just as
should be.
good.
You're way up, right, Jimmy?
Yeah, because you know what? What's really funny is it auto-populated 100, and I thought I changed it, but it went back to 100. I bought 100 share or 100 whatever.
Jimmy, you bought 100 contracts, right? Jimmy, I'm going to walk you through this. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So what you can start doing is you can start shedding this, right? Start shedding, like shed half.
Okay.
So what I do is I go in, like I'm going to do it with you. 15, right?
Yeah,
So do
hang on,
50.
it's going to keep going up here.
That's okay. I mean, you want to collect profits on the way up. So if it yanks really hard, you don't lose it all, right? So we don't stay in heavy the whole way unless you're going to use a stop in there.
Yeah.
I would tell you how to use a stop, but I'm not sure you know how to do that, right? And you're already way up.
I don't know how to do that.
That's what I mean, and I don't know off of that.
Okay, that's fine. How do I get then?
So just
then I'll
shave
sell these right here.
shell, or 50 of them, right? So you only leave a little bit.
Okay.
But I do want you to learn how to put in a stop, right?
Okay, that's fine. Let's just do that. I'll learn later on one share.
Yep. So at least right now you're
There we
making
go. Let me
quick,
get, I'm getting out right here.
20, 30 grand off it probably.
I just did 50 shares.
Okay, good. 50 contracts are gone.
They're
So
50
you have-
contracts.
Yep. So you have 50 more. It looks good though. See how it's buying. Look at the wick. Nice
Yeah, I
wick
see
to
it.
the upside. Yep. Looking good. This is why though I start to shed some, right? Because we can always re-enter it. So if it pulls way back,
It's the same concept, right?
Yeah, it's the exact same concept, except we're doing
Yeah.
contracts. Yep, instead of your shares. Absolutely.
That was one of the most beautiful moments, Jimmy. I was rolling
Yeah, I love
around
it.
loving it.
Love it. So
All
Jimmy,
right, I'm
you're
going to
still
jump out
holding.
right here.
You're still holding 50, right, Jimmy?
Yeah, I'm just going to jump out right here.
Okay. Okay.
At
That's good.
101.15. Brady, are you still in it, or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Yeah, I'm still in. I still got 15 in it.
Contract.
Yeah. Just remember, if it's an option, we call it a contract, right?
Jimmy,
One
while you're
contract is
riding it-
100 shares.
Correct. One contract is equivalent to 100 shares.